In my last video, I talked about why I gave away everything that I owned, moved into my Prius, and headed to Silicon Valley. In this video, I wanted to talk about the work that I am doing in Silicon Valley. Work aimed at improving the world through science and technology. By the way, this YouTube channel is about my work life, and it is a companion channel to my other channel called Living in a Prius. In that channel, I post videos about the challenges and lessons learned as I have adapted to living in a car. In case you are interested, I have provided a link to those videos in the description below. Today, I wanted to talk about an area of research that I have been focusing on since moving to Silicon Valley. Our subject is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, is an area of research that is starting to have a big impact on many areas of human life. In this video, I will explore what artificial intelligence is and is not. Let me start by saying that there is a lot of misinformation about AI, so here is what artificial intelligence is not. It is not intelligent. There are presently no computer programs that represent a form of artificial intelligence. No programs that can think, and no computer programs or technologies that have self-awareness. Computer programs are, and have always been, sets of instructions that programmers create to simply take input and produce output. In human terms, computers are dumb machines. They can only do what they are specifically programmed to do. However, the academic and professional field of artificial intelligence research, where people are trying to create computer intelligence, is a very active and successful field in computer science. A lot of amazing applications are being developed based on artificial intelligence research. We may not have figured out how to make machines intelligent, but research exploring that possibility has led to a lot of technological breakthroughs. Take, for instance, things like Amazon's Alexa, which answers questions and follows your commands, or Netflix video recommendations, which seem to anticipate your television and movie interests, and even Google Search, which helps you find what you are looking for within the tangled web of over 1.7 billion websites. The greatest advancements in artificial intelligence research have come from a field called machine learning. That is what I am studying and trying to apply to my own work. Machine learning uses computer programming techniques to build programs that change as they are used. For example, a program could be built that includes all of the rules and strategies of playing chess. Then the program could be run against a chess-playing program. When the program loses, it would store the losing moves as moves that shouldn't be used in future games. As it wins, it stores winning moves that are possible strategies for future games. So, what happens if the program plays chess many more times than any human being? Well, we know through experience that it gets better than any human at playing the game. We know that because that is exactly what a program created by IBM did. A supercomputer that IBM calls Deep Blue, which was able to evaluate 200 million chess moves per second, ran a machine learning program developed to win the game of chess. Ultimately, it beat the best chess player in the world. Now, let me point out that the term learn, when it is used in the context of machine learning, does not mean that the program has the ability to think. Learning in programming and machine terms means storing information, like information gained from running chess simulations, and it means using that information through clever programming techniques to catalog winning strategies. That type of adaptive programming is what machine learning is all about, and it has led to programs that can outperform humans on things that require a lot of experience. Another example is the computer AlphaGo, which learned how to play a complicated strategy game called Go. To find winning strategies, AlphaGo, run by Google, played the game more than was humanly possible. For example, during just the first 3 days that the program was running, the supercomputer on which it ran allowed it to play the game 4.9 million times. Needless to say, it eventually beat the world's best players at the game of Go. The Deep Blue and AlphaGo examples highlight the reason that computers can do amazing things, even if they don't contain any level of intelligence. Increasing computing power and the increasing speed of computers mean that programs can now be created that can analyze at a rate and depth that vastly outperforms the human brain. That kind of raw processing power opens the door to previously unimaginable possibilities. Beyond playing games, computer programs can be built that learn to interact with people using speech, run self-driving cars, and even analyze diseases and find cures, all of which is happening now. And there are many, many other possible applications. So there is a lot of opportunity in artificial intelligence research and the programming strategies being developed through machine learning. That is why artificial intelligence and machine learning are among the tools that I am teaching myself to apply to my work. Work that is aimed at learning how to use science and technology to create innovative ways to help make the world a better place. Well, that is my video for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I appreciate the fact that our paths crossed in this fascinating journey that we call life.